second part of my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to crochet a nice edge for this shawl. Of course, instead of this edge, you can use tassels or any other edge you prefer. Now I'm ready to start crocheting the edge of the shawl. I am at the end of the last row. This row is the row with the single 5 chain spaces, and now I'm ready to start crocheting the edge. I am going to use the Solomon's knot and a variation of the teardrop pattern in order to create the edge for this shawl. For both of these there are tutorials that you can watch, but let's start. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to pull up the loop which is on my hook. You can pull it up the length you prefer. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull through, insert my hook here, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. So in this way I have created my first Solomon's knot. I'm going to chain one. I'm going to create one more Solomon's knot. So now I have 2 Solomon's knots. Now I'm going to crochet one chain but a bit loosely like this, and now I'm going to pull up this loop on my hook, yarn over and insert my hook into this chain one time, yarn over again and one more time. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, yarn over and pull through this loop. So in this way I have created the place where I'm going to create my teardrop. What I'm going to do is to insert my hook here in the middle, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now I'm going to create a half double crochet like this, a double crochet, another double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to create a triple crochet, for all these there are tutorials. One more triple, and now again a double, one more double, a half double, a single crochet, and now I'm going to join the two sides by inserting my hook on the first single crochet stitch at the beginning, yarn over, pull through and pull through again, and in this way I have created the teardrop pattern. Now I'm going to insert my hook on this chain. So here I'm going to insert my hook, pull up a loop and pull through again, and now I'm going to crochet one Solomon's knot, a chain. Now I'm going to join this side with this side, so into the chain I am going to insert my hook and pull up a loop and pull through, and another Solomon's knot. Just for this one time I am going to insert my hook here on the same row. I'm going to pull up a loop and pull through. So I have created my first edge. Let's do it one more time. So I'm pulling up a loop, I'm creating one Solomon's knot, a chain, another Solomon's knot, one chain which I'm going to crochet a bit loosely, pull up the loop here, now I have 5 loops on my hook, pull up a loop, secure, and I'm going to work in the middle. First I'm going to crochet a single crochet stitch here, a half double crochet, a double crochet, another double crochet, so 2 double crochet stitches, a triple, one more triple, a double, one more double, a half double, a single, and now I'm going to join the 2 sides. So I'm going to insert my hook on top of the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. So I have created my teardrop. I am going to insert my hook into the chain. So here I'm going to insert my hook, pull up a loop and pull through again. And now I'm going to crochet 1 Solomon's knot, a chain. Now I'm going to join this side with this side. So into the chain I am going to insert my hook and pull up a loop and pull through. So now I have joined the 2 sides. Now I'm going to create 1 more Solomon's knot. I'm trying to have the same length as I said, and like this. And now I'm going to skip these 2 V's of the main body, insert my hook here, yarn over and pull through again. In this way I have finished the second teardrop. As you can see, I am going to continue in the same way until I get to the bottom of the shawl where I have started crocheting the shawl, and I will meet you there to show you how to crochet on the other side of the shawl. Please meet me there. So I have finished crocheting the edge on the one side of the shawl. Now I'm at the bottom of the shawl at the beginning, and what I need to do here is to create 1 more edge. Here I'm going to do it a bit differently. Again, I am going to crochet a Solomon's knot, a chain, another Solomon's knot, but this time I am going to add a chain and 1 more Solomon's knot. So now I have 3 in total. Here again I am going to chain 1 a bit loosely, insert my hook into that chain for 2 times with yarn overs, of course. So now I have 5 loops on the hook. I'm going to crochet them all together, and now I'm going to insert my hook here in the middle for a single crochet stitch, a half double crochet stitch, a double crochet stitch, one more double crochet stitch, 2 triple crochet stitches, two doubles, a half double crochet stitch, a single, and again here I'm going to join the two sides by inserting my hook on top of the first stitch and joining my teardrop. Now I'm going to insert my hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through. And now I'm going to crochet a Solomon's knot, a chain, join it with this side. Let me find the right place to insert my hook. One more Solomon's knot, again I'm going to join with the other side, so I'm going to insert my hook here onto this chain of the other side, and the last one, the third one, which I'm going to join on the same place here. So this is the bottom of the shawl where I have started crocheting it. Now I'm going to work on this side of the shawl in the same way as I did on this side, meaning that I'm going to crochet 2 Solomon's knots, and then the teardrop, and then 2 Solomon's knots on the other side. Let me show you one time. So first I'm going to crochet a Solomon's knot, a chain, another Solomon's knot, a loose chain. I'm going to pull up this loop and then insert my hook here, yarning over of course. So now I have 5 loops. I'm going to join them all together, and then I'm going to create the teardrop in here. So a single crochet stitch, a half double crochet stitch, now 2 doubles here, 1, 2, 1 triple, another triple, and again I'm going to join. I'm going to insert my hook on this chain, yarn over and pull through, and now I'm going to create a new Solomon's knot, a chain. I'm going to insert my hook here and join the 2 Solomon's knots, 1 new Solomon's knot, and I am going to skip this V, so I'm going to insert my hook and join here. So this is the way we turn and crochet on the other side of the shawl. Of course, you can always change this pattern. This is a variation, as I said, of the teardrop. You can always change the number of the stitches. Just try to adjust the pattern to your taste. And now I'm going to crochet this side of the shawl, and I will get back to you to show you what it looks like. So here I am again. I have reached the end of the shawl. Actually, there is this row, the last row of the main body, and if you would like, you can continue crocheting our edge on this row, but I would stop here. I prefer it this way. So now what I need to do is to pull up a loop on my hook, pull up a long tail, and just cut a tail. Now I'm going to weave in this tail. You can use a threading needle, or I have one here, like this one, or you can just use your hook. So let's finish by weaving in the end of the shawl. It's better to do it in different directions, so it will be more secure. And in this way I have finished crocheting my shawl. This pattern is my own pattern, as most of the shawls that I have on my video tutorials. So this is the finished shawl. I placed it on a sofa so that you can see it better. This is a very easy pattern for absolute beginners. Also, if you use a luxury yarn like silk, you will get an incredible result. I hope you liked my tutorial, and please leave a thumbs up if you did. Also subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and always think positive. Bye!